Edo PDP train officials don set to launch the e-registration exercise. The Edo State chapter of People's Democratic Party (PDP) don commence the training of im officials to ensure say the electronic registration go well both for new and old party members ahead of the launch of the exercise across the state. The Chief of Staff to Edo State Governor, Honorable Osaigbovo Iyoa, im address the officials during the training wey shele for Imagwero College for Benin City. Im say the exercise na to help digitize and secure membership data and say the exercise dey aim to help every member generate their unique membership identification number within the party. Oga Governor dim am necessary say people wey go work with am go be part of this process. Say this na their first assignment to work for the great party, People Democratic Party. The state chairman of the e-registration committee, Alhaji Kebiru Ajoto, talk say the party go carry every member along for this process of the e-registration. People wey tanda for this ogbonge meeting na be PDP Edo State Chapter e-registration committee chairman, Alhaji Kebiru Ajoto, Secretary to the State Governor, Osarodon Oge Esquire, Chief of Staff to the State Governor, Honorable Osaigbovo Iyoa, and others. This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una. My name na Ehivema Ihimin, reporting from Benin.